Bit late. You know why I'm late? I was doing something and I lost time. I lost time. So welcome, MW and Game Trading Crypto. Welcome with the fam. Gonna do vid today. Top 10 altcoins to buy at the lows after the dump. So yeah, I made a top 10 list of altcoins that I'm interested in if we will get a dump, the ones that I will be loading up. So these are just based on my personal opinion. So it's full disclosure. I don't own them. I don't know them. I'm not getting paid about these altcoins. So these are just altcoins I just picked, and you know that list could change in 1 month, 2 months. But I'm gonna explain exactly how to read it, how to understand it, and well, it's gonna be a great show. So thumbs up if you can hear me. Push the like, share the vid. And we will start the music now. Okay. Thank you. What do we got? El Floriano, gracias. Zupak, Walid, good morning, guys. Gracias. Richard, Rolf, Top Dog, Craft, Elijah, and Inadika, Rosie, Kirk, Rahul, Diana, Bob, Luca, Mark, Matic, Bass, the moderator is in the out, Roy, Amiros, Stanislav, Mario Peters, Rolf, Willem Dutois, John Doe, Job Crypto, Tamora, what do we got? Guy, PNs, Tamora, what do we got? T Blue, we got OAS, we got Danny, what do we got? Natasha, John, Castle Gardner, we got Sega, Amos, we got Espinoza, Silva, Job. Okay, well, welcome everyone. Okay, first of all, let's start with this one. Let me remove this. Let's start with this one, guys. It's really mind-blowing how this keeps working out every freaking time when I say it. Let me remove this blue line where today, this is today's CPI. So let me remove it. But listen, guys, it's again. I'm just saying, guys, again, it's again. You know, the things, what you have been seeing now the past days while I was telling you guys this red candle, don't. They'll ramp it up. They'll ramp it up. It's just what they do. It's just what they do. That's what they do, these guys. This is just what they do. And they have been doing this for the past 22 months, guys. So you don't have to be T.A. Einstein. You don't have to do whatever reason. It's just simple. Just wait. CPI or Powell, FOMC, whatever. Just wait 2-3 days before that happens. And there we go again. There we go. So they keep doing this over and over and over again, guys. This is really, I'm amazed about how the economic world media is not talking about this. There is nobody, no one I've seen on YouTube or Twitter saying this. Listen, guys, 2-3 days before these events, those green candles come out of the blue. Boom, boom, boom. Can you imagine how much money people have made out of this past 22 months that are breaking the system and just acting on this? Because these autistic freaks, they just, and the thing that worries me the most is in these investment and trading, there's a lot of leverage involved. So sometimes what you need is okay, we're gonna pump it, but sometimes there are just too many longs. So what they do is they dump it down very hard and then they pump it up to liquidate the longs. Wall Street doesn't liquidate any longs. It's only just one direction. I can talk about this for a week. This is really, listen, this is what you call monopoly. This is monopoly money. This is just monopoly money. They just don't care. It's just one way up. Just boom, pump, 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 pump. So, okay, so CPI will probably come in today, the 2.3, 2.4, whatever. Just really, guys, whatever. I really just don't give a crap what comes out of this, because in my opinion, it's just a lot of crap. All these data, 2.3, 2.4, 2.5, it's just... So, whatever comes out of it, you might get this, 2.3, boom. But we will get a big retracement, in my opinion. We'll get it big, because we made a new all-time high yesterday, by the way, guys. So I think that we will get a retracement after that, or maybe even before it, or maybe when the data comes out, then you'll see that red candles. And guys, I warn you, because this one is looking so bad. I said it yesterday. This one is looking so. Don't look at this candle. This was on Kraken, by the way. This scammy liquidation candle. But on all the other, let me show you guys the others, because this is just not. So this is it. So over here, I told you guys yesterday over here, it's looking bad, and then we got that dump. So yes, you're welcome. Over here, I told you it's looking bad, and then boom, down. Here, over here, I put a 4 hour over here. I told you it's looking bad, guys. Boom. And you see it, boom, boom. So, okay, well, fine. But we're holding the 200 EMA is acting as support over here, just like it did the past. What was this? The past, since 1 October, the 200 EMA is acting as support over here on Bitcoin. So it's holding. So if this thing will, well, then you know what to do. So when we're going to break down, we tested it 1, 2, 3, almost 4, 5. So at some point, boom, then we're going down. So you have to keep an eye on that one, because we also have got this chart and this chart, this box. That's what we're going to talk about today. This box. Suppose, just suppose. We don't know. We could first get a bounce up. For now, it's looking bad, but possible. So if it happens, and if we get that dump down, this box over here, that's when we will start buying again. Very simple. We have to follow this. We have to follow this one. You have to follow this one. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, and over here, and over here. We got up. So Probably. If we get it more down, well, that's in my opinion a big party, because the lower this thing goes, the more we're gonna buy. You just DCA buy. Today I'm also gonna explain you guys something very, very important. I'm explaining you guys how to schedule your portfolio, because I explained to you guys a lot of times that, you know, I have 80%, 20% investing, 80% trading. So this is something very important, because why? Because a lot of retailers, they lose what they do is there are so many altcoins out there, and then what to do? Wait a minute, I need to buy this one. No, let me sell this one. Let me buy this one. No, I've got no money anymore. Okay, well, let me sell this one and buy this one. Guys, that's why it's very important to just have don't do what I do. You know, I'm a trader. So what you should have like 50%. Okay, listen, this is 50%. This is what I'm gonna hodl, and this is what I'm gonna buy if there's more blood. And there's another 50% of my money. This is what I'm gonna use just trading wise. Just I go in, take profits, go out. Go in, take profits, go out. Go in, take profits, go out. And it doesn't even have to be on leverage. You can do this on spot also. If you got like, let's just say you've got a portfolio of 100K, 50K. This is what I'm gonna buy long term. I'm gonna hodl for 5x, 10x, 20x, whatever. And I've got like 50K. No, this is 50K. I'm gonna just follow where the money's flowing. I'm gonna watch the MW live streams every day, and I'm gonna see where the money is flowing. I'm gonna trade it. So I'm gonna just, maybe you gotta put in 50K in one altcoin. It's possible. You're gonna make maybe like 20, 30, 50%, 70% in maybe a day, 2 days, and then you just take the damn profits and then you go to the next one, etc., etc. That's how I have been building my financially independent portfolio. That's how I did it. So not by hodling. No, definitely not by hodling. So it happened on trading, because yeah, it's just what it is. So this is about that. So today CPI, guys. So today the inflation number will come out. Well, let's see what the reaction is. But at this moment, Bitcoin is looking so weak, guys. And there was one cockroach in my DM yesterday again. And oh, MW this. I told him, did you watch my live stream? No. I told him, if you watched my live stream yesterday, what did I say? I said I am more bearish. Although I know that Wall Street will probably pump up like they did again, I'm still bearish. Why? Because Bitcoin is showing a lot of weakness. And also, we're below the indicator again. We never went above it, by the way, but we're below it. Listen, this candle was very nasty. This candle over here. This is a nasty candle. And this is the result of it, what you're seeing now. It's this nasty candle, because we went above the indicator, boom, 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 and then we get rejected, we close below it, and this is really a nasty candle. Well, you see what happened after it. So just watch the live stream, then you know. You know, most of the times I'm right. And I was right again. I told you I'm bearish. And I'm more focused on the shorts. Okay, so enough about that. Let me see, what is the DXY doing? Because that's something also. DXY is heading into the 200 EMA. Guys, keep in mind, I'm gonna repeat myself. This move up of the DXY, I told you, by the way, so for the Forex traders over here, I said it. When DXY gets into this $1, just don't think that the dollar will just dump down. It does not work like that. So I told you, boom, boom, boom. But guys, we're reaching now really serious. So what might happen is that we'll get rejected with this CPI, and then maybe down, and the markets will make new highs. But, you know, we have to wait to the CPI for that. Listen, let's see how they're going to react to that one. But let me tell you this, if we're going to break above this, above the 200 EMA, and, well, and this thing wants to go to 141. Oh my God, this will create more blood. But you know, for now, Bitcoin, this is the big problem with Bitcoin, guys. Bitcoin, when the US 500 goes up, Bitcoin is not following very strong. But when this thing comes down, Bitcoin follows it like a rock. So that's the big problem now. So, but that's about that. Let me show you guys two others that I'm eyeing. You know, We closed above it, so we're so far away from this one. So just keep in mind that there is a lot more blood to come if this thing wants to come. Let me zoom out that you can see it better. Listen, guys. Remember what I told you? This is going to be bullish. This is going to be bullish. This is going to be bullish. So listen, look where we are. This is so far away. So imagine if this thing wants to come test this red box. That will cause so much blood, guys. That's really incredible. It could really destroy markets if this thing goes up over here. And not markets, I'm talking about crypto at this moment. So if this thing will start ramping up over here to this levels over here, oh my God, this will create a lot of blood in crypto. Be prepared for that one. So let's see what Paxi. Paxi is also just chopping around. So if this thing comes out, will also this level over here. So I'm eyeing it. Okay, well, guys, let me do this one also very quickly. We're still over here, so we have a lot of space to come down over here for altcoins. I have to put it lower now. The longer it takes, the lower it could go over here now. This is now the entry point. So this is just about that. So let me go into the altcoins, because I think most of you guys over here for the altcoins, you don't give a crap about markets or dollar or US 500 or Bitcoin. You just want altcoins, 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 altcoins. Okay, so let me go to my altcoin list. So let me first of all begin with this one, NEAR, guys. You guys know that it has been in my top 3 altcoins for the past months. So NEAR is still, NEAR, by the way, has got a market cap of $5 billion, guys. So keep that in mind. So this is already a big dog. This is already a big dog. So don't expect a 20x, 50x from this one in a very short period of time. So this is so NEAR, guys. NEAR, yeah, it's just, in my opinion, this is one to stay and it will not go away. I think that NEAR will be a market leader and a top 5 altcoin for some time. So this is just safe, by the way, guys, safe, a safe investment. So buy zone, yes, it's just $3. So let me put my alarm. If it comes back around $3, NEAR is a scoop for me, a start DCA buy for me. So NEAR over here around $3, $3.50, $3 or low, I don't care. So that's number 1, number uno, that's NEAR. Number dos, yes, VeChain. Guys, I am bullish on VeChain. I'll stay bullish on VeChain. I don't care what anyone says, because I think if you believe, if you agree with me that China will be the narrative for crypto to start ramping up again, you have to own VeChain. It's that simple. If you believe that, I believe it. I believe that China is our rescue of crypto, and China is the narrative that will ramp up a lot of altcoins and crypto. So I think it's not only China, whole Asia, by the way. So for me, China. And if you believe that, you need to have VeChain. So VeChain, I don't care. By the way, this was a very strong move up. This was a very strong move up. So VeChain needs to come back to the 15 cents. Over here, 70 cents, 15 cents, 20 cents, 80 cents, whatever you want. So everything around DCA. So and if it goes low, I will buy even much more. I'll buy much more. So I'll be, I'll make sure that I've got a big bag of VeChain. And VeChain, by the way, is a 1.8 billion market cap. So it has got more power to grow versus a project as NEAR. Let me go to the third one. FTM. Yes, FTM. FTM already went up. You guys know me. I don't like to buy coins that already made a move up. So I'm just waiting in this box. I don't care. If I get hit, I get hit. You know, guys, I've been bullish on FTM. So FTM, if FTM makes a nice, let me put on the indicator, maybe it will help us a bit. But, FTM, come back to the 40 cents regions, I'll be scooping again some FTM or lower, 30 cents, whatever. So I'll be buying. So we did very good on FTM, but I think that FTM is also in my top 10 coins. Okay, let me go now to some lower market caps, so a bit more risky, but also you can make much more gains on those ones. Flux, of course, Flux, guys. Flux is showing a lot of weakness past days, but I don't care. Look where Flux is. Flux is at 50 cents, guys. 50 cents. 50 cents. It's a, listen, it was at 1.8. 50, guys, I'm telling you, Flux, I will buy really a big bag of Flux. So if Flux, baby, come to Papa. Come back. Put my alarm, everything below the 45, 46, 40. Maybe you'll get the 35 again. Maybe you get even the 30 again. You know, Flux is just a buy for me in a hodl. I don't care. The lower it goes, the more I buy. No financial advice. Full disclosure, I don't own any Flux. I'm not getting paid by Flux. I don't even know the owner. I've seen him, the owner of Flux, but I don't know him personally. Let's just say it like this, or whatever, or anyone else from his team. So it's just what I do. I just want to buy Flux. So, and I'm not buying Flux now. So don't go buy Flux now. I buy Flux over here. It has to drop another 20, 30%. At least. That's when I'm going to buy Flux. When Bitcoin reached that level that I talked about. So that's when I'm going to buy Flux. So there's no need to go buy in whatever now. No need. You're just ruining yourself. So, okay. So that's about Flux. Flux. Let me go to the next one. Talking about Asian coins. So I'm very focused on these Asian narratives. So Ash, this is a payment coin. And I think that this Ash, I've been eyeing it for a while now. And I think that this Ash will get its momentum. By the way, guys, Flux, we talked about Flux and FTM. FTM, by the way, is a 1.9 billion, 2 billion market cap. So it has got also a lot of growth to go. And Fluxy has got 190. So it's a one, guys. Flux at 190 million market cap. If it drops another 30, maybe it will reach the 150. Guys, that's a buying opportunity. That's a buying opportunity. Okay. No financial advice, by the way. Do your own research. Do your own research. I'm just saying. Ash, this is, guys, this is a 92 market cap with a 190 fully diluted market cap. So this thing, this Asian crap, I want this thing back. Come back. Just make that loss dump up over here, guys. So over here, I'll be scooping. I'll start scooping some Ash. I will start buying Ash. Over here, you see this? You see this? You see this box over here? Beautiful. Beauty. It's really a beauty. So over here, guys, Ash, I'll start buying some Ash because this is also something Asian related. I don't know what it is, but do your research. I'm buying Ash. I can only tell you what I'm doing. I will never ever tell you what you should be doing. That's your own choice. I'll be buying. I'm just saying. So that's about Ash. Let me go to the next one. The CFX. The CFX is also Asian related. So this CFX had a big run up. It's not on this chart. You cannot see it, but I had a big run up. But this thing, by the way, has got a 775 million market cap. I want it back into this box. Come back. Bitcoin dump. Yes. US 500 dump. CFX back into the 80 cents, 85 cents. And we'll be doing some groceries again. We gotta buy the blood again. Again and again and again and again and again. Just like we're always doing, guys. We just buy the blood. That's what we do. We sell the FOMO and we buy the blood. So if this thing, my alarm goes off over here, I'll start buying. Listen, let's just say I start buying from the 121, from the 12 cents, 12 cents, and everything goes lower. If we'll hit this box, by the way, oh my God, that would be huge. But let's see. I don't know if we're gonna hit that one, but you know, everything from the 12 cents, I'll start this year buying. I just don't care. Let me go to the next one. VanRe, yes. VanRe, guys, VanRe. $114 million. And look where we are, guys. Look where we are. We are already in the box. Don't go buy in now. Although we're in the box. Because this is how retailers think. Wait a minute. I'm going to do some TA on VanRe. Oh my God, it's in the box. Okay. So I should buy it. Yes. Should I go all in? Yes. Yes, because it's in a box. It doesn't work like that. Why doesn't it look like that? Why doesn't it work like that? Because if Bitcoin will dump, it doesn't matter what Venue is, it will probably dump also. So keep that in mind. So don't just go FOMO in based on the altcoin and what its TA showing. But listen, guys, this thing, 70 cents. So it's not a lot. 10%, 15%. I'll start DCA buying Venue. And if we'll get below this until the 50 cents, I'll start loading up a lot of Venue. And keep in mind, guys, again, this is, by the way, guys, I want you guys to focus what I'm going to say now. If you don't care, go watch some shiller out there. This is not your place over here. This place is only for people that want to protect their capital and are allergic to greed and FOMO. Over here, this is only for serious investors and serious people that want to make money without losing a lot of money. Listen what I'm going to say now. Before I was going to do this live stream, I had to do some research on some altcoins at the levels and the market caps and etc. I had to do it. Normally I never do it, but today I did it. While I was doing it, I thought to myself, wait a minute, let me check what YouTube content creators are sharing to their communities, top 10 altcoins, etc., etc. So while I was doing that, I just went to YouTube and I just typed in top 10 altcoins. I wanted to know what these guys are buying. While I was watching it, I've got like, I have to do a video about this one. I've got like a top 50 altcoins that are a no-go. And you have to see it like this. Those are altcoins that have released like 10% of their coins and 90% are still locked to be dumped on the markets. And I was really amazed that from those top 50 altcoins that I'm eyeing, that the free private group members will be shorting the coming weeks, months. Because I will share those trade setups. Just like you saw me there on Sui, just like you saw me there on Popcat, that's like you saw me doing a lot of coins. I will strike and I will strike hard at the right time. At the right time. Not just like, oh my God, oh well, this altcoin is not so good. It's not looking good, so let's just go short and get liquidated. No, you have to, when you short something, when I strike, you do it as a professional. You've got this indicator. You got the indicator for that. You've got some other tools. You've got some other things, funding rates, volume, etc. In the free private group, trading course VIT 2.0 is coming. Yes, it's coming. You get educated how to do it. But when you strike, you gotta kill it. You gotta make life-changing money. That's how you do that. And I was amazed that most of those altcoins from my top 50 were in all those top 10 lists of those guys. What does that tell me? That tells me that these guys are paid. It's impossible that those same coins are in all those top 10 lists. These guys are paid. I'm not saying all of them, but most of them, they're paid. Because every normal, if you're educated, if you're a crypto trader, if you're a content creator, if you have a little bit of knowledge of trading or fundamentals, you would never, ever, ever, ever shill those coins to your community. Never, ever. So be very careful out there, guys. I'm warning you. Be very careful. They are hunting you. They are hunting you. And I know you don't want to hear me when I say this. You don't want me to say this because you're in some dream that you're going to the moon and that moon turns out to be the sun and you will melt down or you'll lose all your money and then you're broke. And when you're broke, that's when you come to MW Killer. Hey, MW Killer, come here, buddy. Come here, buddy. You know, I watched your live stream one day and I heard you telling us and warning us. And you know what I thought? Well, fuck you, MW. You're ruining my dream. Okay. Okay. No problem. No problem. Just go. Go with the herd. Go. So please, when you do lose all your money, don't come back to me. Just don't. Don't. those crocodile tears, I don't need them. Because why? Because you have been warned. Only if you didn't know me or you didn't hear what I say, you were wrecked, and then you find me. I've got sympathy for those people. I work hard for those people. But to those that are now like giving me a lot of hate, giving me a lot of this, calling me names, whatever, and then when they go and they get wrecked, then they come back to me. Don't come back to me. Because this brings me to the next coin, this story. So the next one that is in my list, Injective. And Injective, that same story that I've been telling you about now, happened it happened to a lot of altcoins, by the way, but it happened over here. Injective was getting shielded to death. And over here was when I was warning all retailers, oh, please, guys, just sell, 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 sell. I gave the order to start shorting this. Just sell it, please. You know, I get DMs, hate DMs, threats, whatever, MW, this, that, oh my God. And then when it gets, because this came down by, what is this? This came down by, listen, this came down by 75%. And then when he loses his money, then he comes back to me, yeah, you were right, MW, you're right. Hey, bro, I don't need just go away. I don't need that. You're right. I don't want to hear that I was right. I know that I'm right. Most of the times I'm right. So don't remember me about that I was right. I don't give a crap about that one. So Injective, guys. Injective is, in my opinion, well, we got this move up. Injective is also one of those coins that I'm eyeing also in the top 10. So yeah, if the alarm goes up, everything around 50 bucks, 15 bucks. And yeah, you've got now also this group of retailers who will never reach those levels. Yes. I've heard that about 1,000 times before. I've heard that around 1,000 times before. We'll never hit those levels. No, okay, no problem. Well, everything 15 until 13 bucks. Injective, guys. Okay, let me see. There's one. I saved the last. This is a new coin, by the way, guys. And I saved it as last. But I think this is also the one with the biggest upside potential. This is a market cap of 15 million with a 27 million fully diluted market cap. This one, by the way, guys, I saw this when it was at 4 million. It's already at 15 million. So this coin, guys, if by any chance this thing comes down to these levels over here, to the 14 cents, between 14 and 7 cents, so this box over here, I'll load up some of this. This is high risk, high rewards, something with AI or whatever. So guys, I'm telling you, this one, I will be buying it. So everything around these levels over here, 16 cents, 15 cents, it doesn't matter. 11 cents, 12 cents. This is just a holder for me for a big move up. Okay, guys, for the ones that have been listening now, I want to because you've got like, this is what it is, guys. It's 50%. If you got 50, listen, most of you guys will probably have just one portfolio and there is no investing, there is no trading, you just do whatever. I would, if you have a portfolio like that, I would do 50% trading and 50% investing. Do it like that, guys. So when, for example, this comes down, you can use the investing portfolio to load up over here. But use this one because suppose that you bought in, I don't know, maybe you buy like 5 altcoins or 10 altcoins, or maybe you buy 100 altcoins. I really don't care with this 50%, whatever it is that you buy. But you have to keep in mind, you need the other 50% because there's always 2, 3, 4, 5 altcoins that outperform the markets. And when that happens, you need this 50% to trade those altcoins that are not in this bag. Do you understand? I hope that you guys understand what I'm saying over here. What I'm saying is, keep always, you have to do it, whatever, you know, this is no financial. I'm just saying how I would do it. How I would do it if I don't know what I'm doing, 50% you buy in if it comes blood, and you just hold on it for at least a 2, 3, 4x. No problem. Always make sure that you have enough cash to buy low levels. So that's number one. This is one. But you have to also have, number two, another 50% of money. And with that money, you buy in the FOMO. You buy the FOMO, or you buy the coins that are showing strength, or maybe some news is coming out, whatever. It doesn't matter. You go in to trade, so you're gonna make a lot of money. You take profits, they go out, you go, etc., etc. This is how I would do it. My style is 80% 20, but everyone must know for his own. So keep in mind that this is very important, guys. This is very important. Because this is how you can make the most money. And this is also how you can kill your emotions. But because suppose that you gonna buy in, I'm just gonna give you guys, you bought in some Solana, Arweave, Render, okay? You put in like 80, 90% of your money in those three. And what happens is VeChain start ramping up. 40%, 50%. This SNS coin start ramping up, 70%. It's breaking out of it. It makes another 30, 40%. And you are holding Render, Solana, and Arweave and think, oh, they're not moving. Oh, crap. And then you get emotional. But if you have your altcoins, do your own research. Everyone should choose his own altcoins. You have 50% in them. And you've got another 50% of money ready. It doesn't matter. Maybe Polkadot wants to break out. I'm gonna buy Polkadot. GLMI wants to break out. I'm gonna buy GLMI, etc., etc., etc. So that's how you're gonna make money based on the volume and the trade setups. That's how you're gonna do it. You gotta make money that way. And your hodl positions, those are just over there. So when those decide to start ramping up, then you're in it already because you bought in over here. But the ones that are doing like this, you can jump in, either you didn't buy them over here, but you can jump in over here, or you can jump in over here. And then you're gonna catch this move up, and then you're gonna sell. And these ones, they're just cooking for them to go up when the time is ripe. So this is, I hope that you guys understood this style and this strategy, because this is a big strategy, guys. This is really a real strategy. Because this is about this is the alpha that I shared, the top 10 altcoins, also some education, how to trade, how to invest. Let me see what you guys have. What do you guys have? What do you got? What do you got? I like when you talk about the market. I know, but I have to talk about this also. You said I'm a shiller of Eagle. I'm not. I just hold it back. So what's your opinion about it? Thanks. I already gave you my opinion about it. Eagle is looking bearish. 35 bucks is the resistance. So I don't know what more do you want me to say about it. And I'm not interested in buying any Eagle. So I need to go. Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, thank you very much. Have a nice one. If you want to join the free private, there is a links below. BITUNIX is your fastest way in to the MW indicator. 4 days left and then it's over. Then you have to create some volume to get the indicator. For the free private group members that want to join us, 100k trading volume is nothing. Just make decent normal trades and then we get that 100k volume. There is a link of my X account below. Follow me on Twitter because that's where I post the most updated what you need to know when you're trading and investing. So follow me over there. And also, if you open up a BITUNIX account or a Blofin or Weex, you can DM me below. And by the way, for the Weex, the Twitter account has been hacked, not Weex. Because a lot of people get panic. Oh my god, Weex doesn't. Weex, the exchange wasn't hacked. It was the Twitter account. Twitter account was hacked by any whatever, and they resolved it. So it's over. So it's over. They solved it. So there's no problem over there. And it was not the Weex exchange itself. Weex has not been hacked. That would be a very big disaster, by the way. But you know, these guys have got like 100 Bitcoin as a reserve, so I'm not too worried about that one. But it was a Twitter account, just Twitter. Guys, I love you all. Have a nice one, and bye bye.